Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank and credit card accounts to Zoho Books. This connection allows you to automatically import transactions, saving you hours of manual data entry and keeping your books up to date in real time. Let's start by heading over to the Zoho Books website at zoho.com/books and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with all your financial data displayed. Now look over to the left sidebar where you'll find several menu options. Click on the Banking tab. This section is where all your connected accounts will live, and it's the control center for managing your financial feeds. At the top right of the banking page, you'll notice a button labeled Add Bank or Credit Card. Go ahead and click it. This opens up the connection interface where you can link your financial institutions directly to Zoho Books. You'll see a search box appear. Type in the name of your bank or credit card provider here. As you type, Zoho Books will display matching options from their supported list of institutions. Select your bank or credit card from the results. Once you've selected your institution, click the Connect Now button. This initiates the secure connection process between Zoho Books and your bank. Before proceeding, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Click I agree or proceed to move forward. This step ensures you understand how your data will be handled during the connection. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. This includes your username and password that you normally use to access your bank's website. Don't worry, this information is transmitted securely, and Zoho Books uses bank-level encryption to protect your login details. After entering your credentials, your bank may ask you to verify your identity through two-factor authentication if you have that enabled. Once authenticated, you'll see a list of all your available accounts with that institution. This could include checking accounts, savings accounts, or credit cards. Select the specific accounts you want to connect and import into Zoho Books by checking the boxes next to them. This gives you control over which accounts sync with your accounting system. Click Add or Submit to finalize the connection. Zoho Books will now verify and establish the link with your bank. This usually takes just a few moments. Once complete, you'll see your newly connected accounts appear on your banking page, and transactions will begin importing automatically. You've now successfully connected your bank and credit card accounts to Zoho Books, making transaction management effortless. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.